By the end of this video, you will have a robot that works for you inside Google Sheets, automatically reminding you exactly when to follow up with your leads. Tracking outreach manually relies on memory and sticky notes. Eventually, a day gets busy, an email slips your mind, and a potential sale goes cold. To fix that, check the description below this video. Click the link to our pre-built template sheet and make a copy to your own Google Drive. Investing just 5 minutes to set this up right now removes the burden of remembering from your shoulders, giving you a foolproof automated alert system. Step 1 is configuring the destination. Look at the bottom left of your new Google Sheet to find the navigation tabs. Click the tab labeled Settings. In the box next to Your Email Address, delete the placeholder text and type in your actual email address. Make absolutely sure this is correct. If you leave the example email intact, your daily alerts will go to a non-existent inbox. Next, switch over to the Contacts tab so we can feed the system some sample data. Select the first empty row. Type in a sample name, an email address, and a company name. The most critical piece of information goes in the Date Sent column. Click that cell and type in today's date. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to officially lock that date into the cell. This single row of data is all the background script needs. It will analyze that specific date to calculate exactly when your follow-up is due. To activate the script, turn your attention to the top menu bar. Click the Extensions drop-down menu, then click App Script. A new tab will open showing the code editor. You do not need to read, write, or understand any of the syntax you see on this screen. Focus entirely on the top toolbar. Find the large play button labeled Run and click it. Because this is the first time you are running the script, Google will prompt a mandatory security check. A pop-up will appear. Click Review Permissions and select your active Google account from the list. You will see a warning stating the app isn't verified. This is completely standard when you run custom code that you own. To bypass this, click the small Advanced link at the bottom left. Scroll down, click Go to Project, and then click Allow. Completing this sequence authorizes your script to read your sheet and send emails on your behalf. You are done with the code. Close the App Script tab and return to your main Google Sheets interface. Look at the top menu bar again. You will see a newly generated custom menu item titled Email Automator. Click Email Automator, then select Setup Triggers. This establishes the daily schedule for your alerts. If Google prompts you with one final security check, follow the exact same Advanced and Allow sequence we just completed. Watch the bottom right corner of your screen. A small notification will pop up saying Trigger Set. That notification means your system is officially running on autopilot. You do not need to touch the back end ever again. From now on, your custom script silently scans your entire sheet every morning. It checks every single row against one strict rule. Has it been exactly 3 days since the date sent? When that condition is met, it automatically highlights the row in your sheet and dispatches an immediate email alert to your inbox. The mechanics are in place. You can start inputting your active sales leads into the Contacts tab immediately. Letting a script handle the schedule guarantees you hit your follow-up window every time, removing human error and ensuring no deal falls through the cracks.